everyone, and good afternoon. All the teachers, all the students, all the best to you all. We will now begin this competition. I welcome Rudra Chandravanshi of grade 1 to come and perform. Rudra Chandravanshi, please start with your recitation. Yes, dear.
Everyone, my name is Chandravanshi, class 1B in Advanced Academy School. Today I am going to recite a poem in front of you all. Title of my poem is Winter, Winter. Winter, winter, cold and ice. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark nights. Get bundled up for snowball fights. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, well done, Rudra. You have said it very nicely. Thank you so much. Now, the next participant is uh, Arhan Poseria. Arhan Poseria. I can see Neha Poseria. You have to write the username of the child properly so that we can tag the child properly. Yes, Arhan, you may start, please.
Everyone.
Yes, you can start. You can start. You're audible.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arhan Poseria. My name is Arhan Poseria. I study in class first A. I tell you poem Winter, Winter. I written by Nicolette Larnat. Winter, winter, cold and ice. A mug of hot chocolate. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark night. Kids bundle up, snowballs fight. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Arhan. It was wonderfully expressed. Your poem was very good. Now, I would call upon Prashi Lakhnani. Prashi Lakhnani, can you unmute yourself and start reciting your poem?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rashi Hardik Lakshani of 1A. Today I am reciting a poem. Winter, Leonard. Winter, winter, cold and ice. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark nights. Kids bundle up for snowball fight. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you, Prashi. Wonderfully recited the poem. Now, I would call upon Arush. Arush Gupta of class 1. Please, yes. Yes, dear. You can cite, yes.
I am Arush Gupta. I study in first A in Advanced Academy School. My poem writer name is Helen Atmore. Now start my poem. Winter, spring, summer, fall, will you lie best of all? Winter is cold, summer is warm, spring time is green, and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Very well said. Now, I would like to call upon Nirvi. Nirvi Maheshwari, it's your turn, beta. Unmute yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Nirvi Maheshwari. I study in class first A in Advanced Academy. Today I am going to share Poem. Name Winter, Spring, Summer, Fall. Written by Helen H. Murray. Winter, Spring, Summer, Fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot. I can't I springtime is green and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, Nirvi, very well expressed. Seriously, even we like all the weathers. We cannot compare which one to use. Okay, now I would like to call upon Vihansh. Vihansh, it's your turn, child. Unmute yourself. Vihansh.
Good morning, everyone. I am Yansh Pandey. I study in first B in Advanced Academy School. Today I'm going to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Winter, Spring, Summer, Fall by Helen H. Moore. Winter, spring, summer and fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot. Springtime is green and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter, spring, summer and fall. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Oh, even I can't decide by expressing your expressions. Even I can't decide which one to choose. Very nice said. Yash, it's your turn now.
Good morning, everyone. I am Yash Chaudhary. I study in class first B in Advanced Academy School. The title of my poem: Winter, Spring, Summer, Fall. Winter is spring, summer, fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot. Springtime is green and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter is spring, summer, fall. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Yash. Very well said. Well done. Okay, now I would like to call upon Abhiraj. Abhiraj Gupta. Yes, it's your turn, dear. Unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhiraj Gupta from class 1B. Today I am going to recite the poem. The title of my poem is Winter, Spring, Summer, Fall. The poet of the poem is Helen H. Moore. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot, springtime is green, and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Abhiraj. Very beautifully expressed. Now, I would ask Angel Jan of class 1 to come up to the stage and recite the poem. Angel, your turn, beta.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Angel M. I study in class first C. Today I recite a poem written by Helen H. Moore. Winter, spring, summer and fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cool, summer is hot. Springtime is green and fall is not. I can't decide. I like them all. Winter, spring, summer and fall. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, Angel, beautifully expressed. Thank you so much. Arhan, it's your turn. Arhan Kashyap of 1, class 1, yes. Start, beta.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arhan Kashyap. Today I'm going to recite the poem Winter, Winter, written by Nicolette Leonard. Winter, winter, cold and ice. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark nights. Kids bundle up for snowball fight. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, your attire actually makes me feel cold. Thank you so much. Very well said, Arhan. Naisha, Naisha, it's your turn now. Unmute yourself. Yes, start with her. Naisha Umar, yes. Put your camera a little
Good
behind.
morning, everyone. My name is Naisha Umar. I study in class 1C. Today I will recite a poem. Winter, 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 snow and ice. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark nights. Kids bundle up for snowball fight. This poem is written by Nicolette Leonard. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naisha. Very beautifully expressed and nice props. Very good. Thank you. Now I would call upon Prisha. Yes, Prisha Jain.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prisha Jana Percy. Today I am going to recite a poem in front of you all. The title of the poem is Winter, Winter, written by Nicolette Leonard. Winter, winter, cold and ice. A mug of hot chocolate would be nice. Winter, winter, long dark night. Kids bundle up for snowball fight. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, Prisha, I'm feeling like freezing up now. So beautifully recited, all of you children. You all are marvelous. Thank you so much. Mic off. And this was really very, very difficult. I'm sure this would be very difficult for all the judges to decide who is the best. Timsima, I hand over the mic to you. Please bless the child with your golden words.
Thank you, Tulika ma'am. Thank you for conducting the final round so smoothly. Well done, children. Very good. Huge round of applause for all the finalists. Very good. All of you are winners. You are winners because you, first of all, you have participated and then you were selected in the final round also. So you all are winners. So show me your big smile and clap, all of you. A big smile because you are already winner. सब जीत गए हैं. सबको check of love मिलेगा. You all will get check of love. Okay, children? Okay? Because you all performed wonderfully. But there is one important thing, children. This is a competition, okay? In our school, we have competitions, and in competition, there is position. First position, then there is second position, and there is third position. Okay, children? So many students are there. So 3 students will get position also. Okay? Show me your thumbs up if you understood. All of you are already winners. Okay? Sab jeet chuke hain. But 3 students will get position who performed very nicely. बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने किया आज. बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करी. और उनको देखकर हमें और सीखना है. We will learn from them to improve. You all want to improve more? You want to become better? You want to become better or not? Rudra, Nirvi? Tell me, Yash. Very good, Anna. Very good.
Ma'am.
तो अगर चांस आपको अगर पोजीशन नहीं मिलती है तो will you cry? Let me see. Who will cry? पहले मैं ये कि अगर फर्स्ट पोजीशन नहीं आई तो कौन यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा बच्चा है जो रोएगा, उसको मैं पहले ही मार्क्स कम दूंगी. Is there any little crying baby here? Naisha, if you will not get first position, will you cry, Naisha? You are a strong girl, na? You're a strong girl. You will not cry, na? What if we will not get first position or second position? Rudra, you are a grown-up boy, right? So children, you have to watch the competition. Okay? So nobody will cry. Arush, show me your thumbs up. Because you are already winners. All of you children. Always. Because you have participated. That means you are winners. And then we will select first, second, third position. Okay? And I have selected. And very soon you will be knowing in the diary app the names of the winners. First position, second position, and third position. But you have to show maturity. Then only we will be going to have some competition in future. Okay? You will not cry. Angel, Angel, hello. No crying. Okay? All right. Very good children. Bihansh and everybody. Prashi. Then there was Arush and Rudra, Yash, Abhiraj, Arhan, Naisha, Trisha. Wonderful. Everybody. Then there was Arana, right? Arana Poseria, right? Rudra. Very good. Everybody, each student did his or her best. Wonderful. And thanks to parents for great, that what you say, that beautiful decoration. Although there are no marks for decoration and props, I must tell you, the parameters of competition are only 3. That is confidence of the students, which all my dear shining stars were very confident. Then there was voice modulation, which some of the students did wonderfully. Voice modulation. You know what you were doing? Cold winter, hot summer. Like this you were doing, na, some of you? This is voice modulation. Very good. And pronunciation also. How you are speaking the words. Are you pronouncing them correctly? Okay. So these 3 parameters, no marks for decoration or your mug or your chart. Okay. I have not given marks for that, but it was lovely. You were looking gorgeous. Very good. Very nice things you were carrying, but marks given for only 3 parameters. So wonderful, Tulika madam, Prachi madam, great planning, excellent coordination. And children, I'm sure with this process of PLT and then this final round, I'm sure they have learned so much. And seeing each other, we learn so much. So once again, children, clap for yourself. सब अपने लिए ताली बजाएंगे और अपने friends के लिए. Yes? Very good. Thank you. Results we will declare soon, beta. Okay, through school diary. Over to you, Tulika madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time and for your wonderful words of encouragement. I'm sure these words have made the children quite confident and assured them that yes, they are winners in themselves. Of course, you all are winners and doing wonderfully throughout. And all of you have wonderfully recited. The participation in itself is a winner in you. So thanks to everyone for joining in this session. Thanks to the parents for coordinating it so well with us from your home online. This was a wonderful session from all of us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks so much, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am. We end the session now. Bye. Bye to all.
Bye bye.